Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all a rainy day in my life. And I know I have been MIA since a long time. We moved into a new house and I was busy in packing and unpacking for the last 3 weeks. And adding to that, I was down with a throat infection, so that was the reason I couldn't upload any video. And now coming to today's video, this is the last video from my old house. I'll be uploading new videos from my new house from next week. Thank you all for your patience and love towards me. I am so blessed to have sweet and lovely friends like you all. Let's start with today's video. It was around 4:30 in the evening. It was raining, so I thought of having something hot and spicy in this rainy weather. So I made Gobi Manchuria on that day. And now coming into the kitchen, the first thing I did was fill my water filter. And then I arranged few hand wash dishes that was laying on the countertop. As I did not clean the stove after the lunch preparations, I just cleaned my stove with water and cleaned it with a rag. Now let's see how I prepared Gobi Manchuria. The first thing I did is take a pan and fill it with water and boil the water with a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric. While the water is getting boiled, I'll just separate the cauliflower florets and then cut them into small pieces. And make sure you do not cut the stem of the cauliflower. It will be easy to dip it in the batter and fry them. As we are just 3 people, I used half the cauliflower. And now coming to the batter, take 1/4 cup of rice flour, salt as per your taste, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric a pinch, and add water and mix it into a smooth paste. Make sure that there are no lumps in it. For Manchuria we usually use corn flour. As I was out of it, I used rice flour instead of corn flour. And in the meanwhile, you can add the cauliflower florets into the boiling water and let them cook for at least 5 minutes. And now for the gravy, just chop 2 small onions and 2 garlic pods, and if you like spicy, then you can add 2 to 3 green chilies as well. And in the meanwhile, just drain the cauliflowers and keep it aside. In the same pan, add oil for frying, and now add the cooked florets into the batter that we prepared earlier. Make sure each floret is well coated with the batter and then fry them. Fry them until they turn golden brown in color. After we finished eating our snacks, I came back into the kitchen and I started preparing breakfast for the next day. In the morning I soaked dals for idli and dosa, so I'm preparing the batter here. After I'm done with the batters, I prepared veg biryani for dinner. I already made a video on veg biryani recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Please do watch it. And those are all the items I made on a rainy day. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.